Why? Say, boy, when you're happy, you enjoy the music, boy. But when you're sad, that is the only time you study the lyrics. Yes, that cut deep. Yeah, man, when you're happy, man, you enjoy the melodies. And you start saying artists full of swagger and full of flow. The artists are crap like a puss. Come on, crappy beat. But anytime you're sad and listen to that same song, that is the time when you understand what the lyrics did I say. So it I say, only the one where you love can cut your heart deep. Love wicked, yo. Just like the two twin girls that did say love is wicked. Yeah, my love is wicked, wicked. Hey, my love is wicked. Yeah, my love is wicked, wicked. Yeah, man, love wicked, man.